Do you want to build a career or business that generates serious income? In 2025, learning high-income skills is one of the best ways to increase your earnings, achieve financial freedom, and future-proof your career. Unlike traditional jobs that pay based on hours worked, high-income skills allow you to charge for results, not time. The best part? You don't need a degree to develop these skills, just the right knowledge and practice. One of the most powerful high-income skills is copywriting. Businesses need persuasive writing to sell products, generate leads, and grow their brands. A skilled copywriter can charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a single sales page, email sequence, or ad campaign. With companies constantly looking for ways to increase conversions, copywriting is in high demand. Learning how to write compelling headlines, engaging content, and persuasive calls to action can turn this skill into a six-figure income. Another highly profitable skill is digital marketing. Every business needs online visibility, and experts who know how to drive traffic, generate leads, and convert customers are highly valued. Digital marketers specialize in areas like SEO, paid ads, email marketing, and social media growth. Companies are willing to pay thousands per month for effective marketing strategies that bring in consistent sales. With the right tools and platforms, you can learn digital marketing through online courses and start offering your services as a freelancer or consultant. If you prefer working with numbers, high-ticket sales is one of the fastest ways to earn big commissions. Selling premium products or services, such as real estate, coaching programs, or software solutions, can generate thousands of dollars per sale. Unlike traditional sales jobs, high-ticket sales focus on relationship building and understanding the psychology behind customer decisions. Many sales professionals work remotely and earn six figures just by closing a few deals each month. For those interested in tech, software development remains one of the most lucrative skills. Programmers who specialize in web development, app creation, and AI-related projects have endless opportunities. Businesses, startups, and even governments are always in need of skilled developers to build and maintain digital solutions. With online coding courses and boot camps, anyone can start learning programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Solidity and turn this skill into a high-paying career or freelance business. Another skill that will grow in demand is AI automation and prompt engineering. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into business operations, companies need experts who understand how to automate workflows, optimize AI tools, and create high-quality AI-generated content. Professionals skilled in prompt engineering can help businesses streamline tasks, enhance productivity, and scale content creation. This skill is already in demand and will only continue to grow as AI adoption increases. Learning a high-income skill is one of the fastest ways to increase your earning potential. Whether you choose copywriting, digital marketing, high-ticket sales, software development, or AI automation, the key is to take action. The sooner you start developing these skills, the sooner you can build a career or business that generates real wealth. With online resources, mentorship, and hands-on practice, anyone can learn these skills and turn them into six or even seven-figure incomes in 2025.